Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can revive your fallen fighter in UFC Mobile 2. To do this, open the game. Go to your campaign. Pick one of the fights. Press start. And here you can revive him by using your inventory item or buying one in a store. I'm gonna use my inventory one. Also, you can revive him by going to your camp, pressing on him, and using an item, like the same way before. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and commenting this video.